So here it is in pictures and how a computer would do it. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to have the user log in. So there's 3 parties here. One is the user, one is the server, and one is the attacker. There are 3 different people all on the web, and they can all talk to each other. So the user is going to log in first, and this means that the user now has a session token in their cookie jar. This user has some browser open, the browser has a cookie jar, and the cookie jar has a token that was given to the user by the server. So now if the user and the server ever want to talk, that cookie gets attached, and the server remembers who the user is. So the user is now logged in. All future requests are authorized from this user. Now, somehow the attacker is going to trick the victim into making a malicious request to the server. Now, how this trick happens, we'll talk about later, but for now, assume that somehow the attacker tells the user, you should really make this request. It's like passing them the love letter and saying, pass this along, but it's actually a check. So somehow, we trick the user into making the request. Now, the user is going to make that malicious request because they've been tricked. And when they make the request, a copy of that cookie is automatically attached. The browser doesn't know any better. It doesn't know if the user meant to send this request. So we send the request along. The cookie gets attached automatically. And the server thinks the user actually meant to make this request because the cookie makes it look like the user is logged in and wants to do this malicious thing. So the attacker has tricked the user into doing something malicious. And the reason why it's dangerous is because of that cookie. It makes all the user's requests authorized.